Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show to make jump animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, this is very easy animation and I will show some ways for create beautiful jump animation. First, go to logo. I will use Spotify logo. Let's move the import here, our composition. And press S, change scale. Okay, let's change 20. And let's press P. Let's move the up. And make new passing keyframe. Let's go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard, or click here, write +10. For go to 10 keyframe, click OK. And let's move it down. Go to 10 keyframe again. Select first keyframe, copy paste. And select keyframes, let's make easy ease or click F9. And let's say animation. Okay. So select keyframes and hold Alt, move to right a little bit for slow animation. Then go to graph editor and let's select this graph, move to right, and select this graph, move to left. Let's see. Okay. So back to keyframes and go to last keyframe. Let's select work area for loop animation. Let's see. Okay. So in this time, go to here and let's hold shift, press R, and click this icon, make scale keyframe, and go to center. Let's change scale like this. Let's change 32 and go to 4 keyframe, 1 2 3 4. For shortcut, you can use again page down in keyboard and select this keyframe, copy paste. Select scale keyframes, let's make easies. Let's see. Nice. So friends, let's go to first second and make scale keyframe. Go to here, change scale 25 and go to here, change 25 like this. Let's see. Very nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.